Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Chlorine stabilizer, called cyanuric acid or CYA, reduces chlorine loss from sunlight and extends sanitizer life so you use less chlorine daily. Aim for a CYA concentration of 30 to 50 ppm in outdoor pools. That range protects chlorine while still allowing disinfection. Avoid letting CYA climb above 80 ppm because high CYA binds free chlorine and prevents proper sanitization, requiring partial water replacement to lower levels. Test CYA before adding and incorporate stabilizer only when adjustments are necessary for ongoing pool balance. To dose cyanuric acid accurately, calculate pool volume and desired increase. 1 pound of granular CYA per 10,000 gallons raises CYA by about 7 ppm. Measure the required pounds, pre-dissolve each pound in roughly 5 gallons of warm water until cloudy, then pour slowly into the pool return while the pump runs to distribute. For liquid stabilizer, follow manufacturer rates. Wait 24 to 48 hours for full mixing. Then retest CYA and repeat measured additions until you reach the 30 to 50 ppm target. Maintain balanced conditions by testing cyanuric acid and free chlorine at least weekly and after heavy bather load or rain. A simple guideline is free chlorine target equals CYA divided by 7, with 30 to 50 ppm CYA that corresponds to roughly 2 to 7 ppm free chlorine depending on conditions. Shock the pool when combined chlorine exceeds 0. 2 ppm or if algae appear, using a shock level recommended for your sanitizer. If CYA climbs above 100 ppm, lower it by partial drain and refill, then re-establish free chlorine targets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.